So happy again. This is a great part of our show, but I want to just give a special thanks to God because you've watched the video from the play that I had in December called Guess What I Heard with Mother Cranberry. I was so honored to direct that play, and I'm looking forward to doing more productions, so stay tuned. Now, this is my favorite part of the show.
Go on.
Legal question corner time. Somebody's got to ask the tough questions.
Somebody's got to.
So we have Miss Tangi Smith, a retired former U.S. military, all of that.
Yes.
And she also assists us. You have a legal question for Kevin.
I do have a legal question for you. Mr.
Okay.
Kennedy. It's been said that a person that's serving in the armed forces cannot sue while they're still serving.
Yes.
But now that they're out, what would be the process for going back and getting the records that you need?
Yes.
And what are the credentials to look for in an attorney? Because I know just you can't
Yeah,
have.
that's pretty good. All that military training kicks in. They got a lot of experience. Life experience teaches you a lot about the law.
Come on, Kevin.
But we have a Sailor and Soldiers Relief Act. So one of the good things, the policy behind it was, if you go to serve, your bankers can't sue you. I'm serving the country. Everything's put on hold.
Okay.
Likewise, when a service person, it's a great defense because you can delay till all those guys have passed away, and then when you come out, there's no problem. But anyway, what do we look for in a lawyer that would have some ideas? There's a lot of good things. You can call the Tennessee Bar Association. They'll have referrals on military specialist lawyers. But I always like to come back and say, find a lawyer you can trust. And even though the lawyer may not know the specific statute, they do understand the theory.
Okay.
And they can say, now that you're out and you're free, now you can move forward and try to get these records. And, everybody says, well, I'm going to get these records. Let me make this clear. The only way you make someone turn their records over is subpoena them. So just like if I came up and said, I want your phone records, the first thing she can say, you see my lawyer. And then I said, well, I want your phone records. And you say,
see my lawyer.
you can see.
That's right.
So we're not going to turn over all those records. And I want your text too, and your text too. But I couldn't get them. But now if I went and filed a little lawsuit, I'd issue a subpoena for you to appear and bring your records. So that puts you kind of in a jam. And then you can also send the subpoena to Verizon or whatnot. And so the lesson through that is loose lips sink ships. Don't put anything on a text or a photo that you don't want somebody to get. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
I knew that. They're going to be too slick on you.
And I think that I just found me a lawyer.
Yeah.
I just tell the Lord.
Go ahead. Tell the Lord thank you. He's good. But what's great is when you got smart clients.
Well, we've got to go. We're out of time.
Smart lawyers.
Thank you all so much. Blaine Dixon, we love you. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Dream and Kevin Show. Thanks,
Stay tuned.
Tangi.
Appreciate y'all.